Why you go dey use money take love person pikin? E go be like say your heart don meant for am. The kind craze wey be like say dem thief your phone and you know say na brand new you buy am. But na only Mumu dey use go pay for love. Abeg, where you dey see this money wey you dey take buy her food? You dey buy her shoe, you dey spoil her with booze. You go sacrifice your dignity, your sanity, make you hold on to love wey no go ever real. Love wey be just game, and at the end na you lose. Na time you go sabi say you don be noble fool. Once you don see say the money dey, even if you sure for how you go tall, you go think say na love. Mumu no be you she love, na the money wey you get. She go act like say she love you die, but she dey loyal to her feelings pass you and even the wigs wey she get. Money fit buy you knack, cheap head na 60k. But if you think say you fit dey give her money, dey hope say she go love you back. Madam, na valid grounds for heartbreak be that. Your pocket go dry, your heart go pain you, and the love go vanish. Last na your money go do pass you. Na Mumu dey pay for love wey no real. You know what the sacrifice, you no get price. Love no suppose get fee, e suppose dey free.